Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro Mode works on your INFINIX Note 30 Pro. And first of all, we have to swipe up just like that to open the more modes. The Pro Mode we can find just right here. And first of all, we can adjust the exposure compensation. Next, we can adjust shutter speed. Right here we can find ISO level. And here we can also find the white balance. On the right side we can find the manual focus. And here we can also switch the matrix metering. When you click on this icon, you can adjust the flashlight, so we can, for example, turn it on. And by tapping right here, you can switch the photo aspect ratio. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.